My name's Tricky Falcon, and I'm addicted to being a dog. It's the freshest water in the house. I believe I am a dog. I can feel it inside. I tried Ancestry.com and they said I was 40% animal being, and I have the hair like an animal. I do the daily things as a normal dog, such as I am. I eat, do everything. It's very dry and tasty. I sleep like a normal animal most of the day.
What are you doing? Hey, that's my turf. Hey, get out of here.
I interact with animals just like anybody else in my natural habitat. Hello. Let me smell your butt.
Oh yeah, baby.
My parents don't really like it when I go to the bathroom outside, and the neighbors stare at me funny, but I think it's okay. Get out of me! I like to be walked on nice sunny days as well. My parents tell me I have an addiction to this, but I don't really understand what they mean. I think I'm really fine. No, yes I am. We don't really understand our son's disorder or addiction, but he likes to call himself an animal. We have to deal with it and live it, and he doesn't really get along with the neighbor's pets. I mean, I can see where he gets it from his mother, of course. I wish she could be here right now, but she's in the bathroom. But if she could talk, she'd like to say this. God bless that woman.